Hello everyone. We are going to see how to find LCM using division method. Let us start with an example. We need to find the LCM of 18 and 24. The first step is to arrange the given numbers in a row. So we write down 18 and 24 in a row like this. Then the second step is to choose the least prime number that divides at least two of the numbers. Over here we have only two numbers, so we need to find a least prime number that will divide both of them. Since both the numbers are even, we know that they are divisible by 2. So we can divide them by 2, which is the smallest prime number itself. Now we divide these numbers and carry forward the ones not divisible. In this example, both the numbers are divisible. So let's divide them. 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. Then we repeat the process until no common factor remains except 1. So let's see over here. In this case, we do have a common factor other than 1. This is odd, this is even. So clearly we cannot divide them by 2. But if we look at the next prime number, which is 3, we see that both of these are divisible by 3. So we divide them by 3, we'll get 3 over here, and 12 divided by 3 will give us 4. Once again, we'll repeat the process until no common factor remains except 1. So in this case, 3 is a prime number. 4 is not, but their common factor is 1. So we stop over here, and now the last step tells us that LCM is the product of the divisors and the remaining numbers. So LCM of 18 and 24 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 is 6, into 3 is 18, 18 into 4 is 72. So the LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. Let us look at one more example. This time we are taking 3 numbers. We need to find the LCM of 28, 35 and 42. Once again, we arrange them in a row, and the next step is to choose the least prime number that divides at least two of the numbers. So a very easy to go method over here is to check for even numbers, and because we can just divide them by 2. So 28 and 42, these are two even numbers. Let's divide them by 2. Divide those numbers and carry forward the ones not divisible. This is a very important step. So 28 is divisible by 2. 28 divided by 2 is 40. Now 35 is odd. It is not divisible by 2. So we'll just carry forward this. We'll write it as it is. And next 42 is divisible by 2. It will give us 21. Now you repeat the process until no common factor remains except 1. So let's look over here. We have one even number, but 35 and 21, they are odd. So clearly we cannot divide them by 2. Next prime number is 3. 21 is divisible by 3, but these numbers are not. And we need to find a prime number that divides at least two of the numbers. Let's move on to next prime number, which is 5. Only 35 is divisible by 5. So let's move on to the next one and see if we can find two numbers which are divisible by a certain prime number. So next number is 7. All of these numbers are divisible by 7. So we divide them by 7, we get 2. 7 into 5 is 35 and 7 into 3 is 21. Now if we look at these remaining numbers, 2, 5 and 3, all of these are prime numbers. So their common factor is 1. So we stop over here. Now LCM is the product of the divisors and the remaining numbers. So LCM of 28, 35 and 42 is 2 into 7 into 2 into 5 into 3, which gives us 420. So the LCM is 420. Another very interesting thing about LCM is that if one of the two given numbers is a multiple of the other, then the greater number is the LCM of the given numbers. For example, if the two numbers are 6 and 12, here 12 is a multiple of 6. So the LCM would be 12 itself. We can verify this. These two are even numbers, so they are divisible by 2. We'll get 3 over here, and over here we'll get 6. Now, 6 is divisible by 2, but 3 is not. But both of these numbers are divisible by the next prime number, which is 3. So we get 3 into 1 is 3, and 3 into 2 is 6. Now we'll stop over here because the only common factor between 1 and 2 is 1, right? So the LCM of 6 and 12 is 2 into 3 into 1 into 2. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. So the LCM is 12. Similarly, if we have two numbers, for example, let's say 5 and 20. 20 is a multiple of 5. So the LCM of 5 and 20 would be 20 itself.